What's up, good people? Happy Memorial's Day. Hey, on this day that we celebrate our vets, for those of you that have served or that are still serving, we want to express our heartfelt thanks and appreciation for the freedoms we have because of you. Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'm going to briefly talk about the stock market and how, in a time of uncertainty, how you invest. I'm just going to show you one way that works. There's many ways that you can make money, but before I say that, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and a notification bell. Don't fall for spam in the comment section. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. But I'm going to suggest to you that dollar cost averaging, and I know you guys are probably tired of hearing it. Everybody's on the DCA wagon. But the truth is just the truth. I want to show you guys something in my $5 a day challenge. I will be going into it much deeper in the coming weeks, but I want to simply show you why when the market is going down and you're heading towards a crash, correction, or recession, how dollar cost averaging actually works. Okay, so let's look at this. So I want to show you guys something, right? So this here, hope you guys could see that. I tried to put them side by side. So this is my $5 a day challenge, which I am about 3 weeks behind actually in this portfolio. So I got a little catching up to do. Okay, so what I've been doing is I've been putting $10 a day into each stock, right? And remember, you could pick one from this. This is my ETF portfolio. I have a growth portfolio and I got a blue chip portfolio. So you could pick one from each and do your $5 a day. And these are just suggestions. You can pick your own. So let me show you guys something, right? So let's start by Vanguard, right? So this is the Vanguard VTI, right? VTI, as you could see here, just by me doing the $5 a day in the VTI, you could see I'm only down 5%, all right? So if we go here year to date, you could see that it is down 14%, right? So by me dollar cost averaging, spending the same amount of money and not going all in, now I'm able to have a lower loss. So I'm only down 5% when the index is actually down 14%. This is the power of dollar cost averaging. You are assuring the best purchase price for you, not knowing where the bottom is or the top. All right, let's keep it going. So look at here, VOO, right? You could see here, I'm down 4%, right? Let's go here. Look at here, down 13%. You see the difference? So 13% as opposed to 4%. Let's keep it going. SPY. Let's look at this. Down 13%. I'm only down 4%. Let's go to the QQQ. QQQ, year to date, down 23%. I'm only down 8%, right? And let's go to what literally fell off of a cliff, ARC, right? 53% down. I'm only down half that much, less than half that much, at 24%. Up for the days, which is the close on Fridays, but overall down. So let me tell you that this is the reason why we DCA, dollar cost average, because it simply assures you the best price. Now, some of you guys have gotten some smart, ways to dollar cost average. So what we've been doing is I've been encouraging you guys that have never been in the market to simply spend the price of a cup of coffee, right? That's why I call it my $5 a day challenge. Hashtag $1 million cup of coffee, because with the price of a cup of coffee over time, you can literally become a millionaire. And this principle is true. And you say, hey, Larry, but they're red. That's good. We've been buying it on discount. We've just been buying it on discount. What's crazy about these portfolios is in one day, some of these will literally most of them can go to positive in one day. And so you're buying and it's going down, down, down. You're buying red. So you're not buying them all here. So you're just buying on the way down. And then all of a sudden, boom. So if you're buying here, 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 and then it comes back up. Now you go from red to even. And then if you are really buying a lot when it is undervalued, right, or oversold, then when it comes out and then we get to the next bull run, that's why I'm stressing for you guys to cash up for a recession. Then we're going to really be killing it with our $5 a day challenge. You need to be in this at least, good people, 5 to 10 years. 5 years is a good snapshot of how this works. Then you will see, hey, this is not as hard as I thought it was. Now, these are ETFs, which is the overall stock market or baskets of stocks. And you don't even have to pick a individual stock. So this is made really simple. And for those of you that are even smarter, you will do this in a Roth IRA, right? Which means that when you go to pull it out at the age of 59 and a half, or a minimum of 5 years, or both rather, then you won't even pay capital gains tax. So this is how you really, really, truly beat the system. So it's easy. I don't care what you're invested in. I would participate in the $5 a day challenge. All that it's going to do is build you wealth. And a year from now, just a month from now, these could all be green. With the way that the stock market has looked the last week, if we have a week, just think about this. If we have one more week like we had in the previous week, these will all be green. Now you're making money, right? And so for someone else to get started behind you next year, you're already that much more ahead. So if you want to join, just calculate $5 a day times the beginning of this year. That's when we started this challenge. But I wanted to show you guys the power of dollar cost averaging, DCA. All right, I also want to talk about this. There's a reason why I want you guys, a couple of reasons why I want you guys to absolutely open up new portfolios. You say, Larry, I just learned how to use this portfolio. Well, I can tell you, once you learn how to use one, the rest of them are simple. It really is. It becomes simple. It's kind of the same deal. You just got to look for different buttons in different places. It's the same format, same kind of layout, right? And the reason why is, there's a couple of reasons why. Let's say you get a wash sale, right? And you get a wash sale and, you buy a stock, it goes down, you sell it, you get the big fat W, which is not a win. That's a wash sale. It's for tax purposes, right? But you sell it for a loss, but you want to get back in. If you get back in under 30 days, you get that big fat W. In some portfolios, especially the more traditional portfolios, you'll go to buy back in at a lower price and it'll actually automatically buy back in at the higher price, right? And that's a wash sale. Another way to get around that is to buy that stock in another portfolio, right? So now, the taxes won't be any different. You still have the taxes won't be any different because your income is your income. When you do your taxes, your tax benefits or loss or gains will be the same. But you won't get that big fat W and you'll be able to buy it in at a lower price on another platform. Follow? Then, if you are not qualified to be a full daytime trader, meaning you have to have a minimum of $25,000 in your portfolio to be able to buy and sell every day. If you don't have 25,000 in it, in most platforms, they won't let you, they're going to limit the amount of times that you can buy and sell until you get $25,000 in your portfolio. But the way around that is to have different portfolios. So you can buy and sell, 2 times a week on this one. You can buy and sell on this platform. You can do that. You can just keep opening platforms. There's ways to get around it, good people. So that's why I want to talk about the 2 platforms I really want you to download. You guys already know about Webull. You guys know, put $1 in there. They're going to give you a minimum $34 in free stock, right? And they have crypto there also. But they're running a promotion for their 4th year anniversary. They're going to give you up to $12,600 worth of free stock. Now, Moomoo is where we are cashing up. You guys have been opening those, putting your money into that Moomoo, and we are going to watch it grow. We're going to do it together. We're going to invest together. We're going to grow together. I'm partnering with other influencers, Stock Josh, working on another one, and we're going to come up with a program. Not only do we want you to make money, we're going to invest with you in real time, just like I'm doing these portfolios, okay? So that's what I wanted to leave with you guys, all right? So make sure you download the 2 top links in my description below, because there is where you find the free stuff, all right, good people? All right, so in your Moomoo, put a minimum of $100. In that Webull, put a minimum of $1. Make sure you fund that today. Hey, that's what I want to leave you with on this holiday. Of course, the stock market is not open today. Crypto is still trading, and we will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. So let's leave with this banger. All right, haven't played it in a while. Live, love, laugh, and learn. What's up, good people?